So I bought these nice toys from Amazon, and you can see this is a triangle. It is reflecting the light, and they give a nice scale. And I called it focal point distance. So from here, it is focal point distance 6. If I can go closer, I think the focal point stays same. So they give other shapes of acrylic. This one is eye shape. I don't know exact fiber optics term. So it has a different reflection, and this is very good way to teach your kid about the fiber optics. I think this one we use for our glasses. If I make it either way, so it's focal point around 6.7 in here. The next one is kind of plain, and you can see how you can move the light. I like that idea, very nice. It's like you are playing with the light. And this shape, its focal point is around 9 centimeter. So they give us three different shapes of this one, and let's see this one. It is around 7, I can say, and the bigger one. This is the bigger one. Let's see how much this one have. It is around 6, 5.5 something. Let's see. Wow, I can make it. Let's make it closer. You see, actually we can foresee this one. The focal point is now in here. If I enter the other one, the focal point comes closer. You see, from 3 to there. And using the other one, you're getting more closer. And there is other shape. So actually in here you can see that the light beams are intersecting. You can separate this light beam from this one, and here you go, we are separating it. Yep. Go. Alright, so they give other shape. This one, it's in this shape. This one, it has some kind of superposition light wave. This one superposing. This is inside the it is focal point is inside in there. Nice. And then I have 4 more shape. This is prism. We will check it outside at the daylight. And this shape, it is the previous one was pyramid, this is prism, and the next one is this is a rectangle, and one more shape, this is a circle. So now we will check this one at the sunlight and see how it is giving us a separating color from sunlight. Thank you.